This is a little microphone comparison, how to improve the sound of your Zoom calls or Zoom lectures. So if you start, typically you would have something like this. This is the sound of my laptop computer. I'm sitting in a quiet room, so there's not much disturbance, but if I use the keyboard or if I move anything around on my desk, you will clearly hear that, and the sound is not great. So the next step would be, maybe you remember, yeah, I had those AirPods, and I was really hopeful that those AirPods would improve the sound quality.
Now, honestly, that was a big disappointment. Especially the hissing sounds are terribly muffled, and the sound quality isn't that good. So let's forget about AirPods. Next would be the camera microphone. If you have an external
camera, this is the Logitech StreamCam camera that comes with a good microphone. It gives a very clear sound. So that's on the plus side. The downside is that it picks up a lot of echo, a lot of reverb from the room, and of course it picks up all the keyboard sounds as well, because it is relatively far away from my mouth, and so the room sound is not filtered particularly well. And then here comes the no-cost solution. So I found a very old earphone set from an old telephone that is broken. It's a no-name thing, really nothing fancy. But surprisingly, this is the sound of this cable earphone something. Yeah, so obviously the microphone is very close and it picks up less of the room sound. This is the keyboard in the background. It is surprisingly good, and it typically doesn't cost anything except that you need to open the drawer where you have stored all the cables, all the chargers, and the old headphones. So that is basically a no-cost solution to improve the sound of your recordings. Final step, if you want to invest something, then I would recommend getting a proper microphone on a microphone stand. So this is the Razer microphone on my table. It's important to keep that pretty close to you, and this is a keyboard sound. It's not really disturbing, I believe, and the sound, including hissing sounds and everything, is pretty good. So that would be my recommendation if you want to spend some money on sound.